We are here at S&A Auto Center located in Newark, New Jersey. It's not just a place where we fix cars, but it's also a place where we empower women so they feel comfortable going to any auto repair shop. One day, a woman came into my shop, very upset, because she was told that she needed to change a transmission in her car. Her car was totally fine. And then after she left, I made it my goal to empower women. I feel it as a woman that nobody should be taken advantage of because we have no knowledge about cars. What I did is I spoke to my husband and we decided to teach women the language of the cars. And we started doing it here in Newark. We started our business without knowledge and without any money. I didn't know how to run a business. Now we are 11 years in business. And thanks to the grants that we are able to get from the state of New Jersey, will actually help us to continue here and also to grow. We have now a second location in Kearny, New Jersey, and we are proud of what we have done so far. And we are doing this not just because of me or my husband or my kids, but we're also doing this because we want to show to our community that we can do as much as we can. Don't let other people tell you that you cannot do it because we can do this. I was told many times that I won't be able to be in this industry. And look, I am here right now. And I'm showing this because I wanted to empower our community and especially our women out there that we can do many things. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. But I've been doing it and I've done it. And I want to continue doing it because I wanted to leave a legacy for my kids and I wanted to become a model for my community.